Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another Pinterest recreation video.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
Before we get into the video, let's make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know which look you like the best. And most importantly, share. Sharing means caring. Now let's get into it. I decided to do a summer Pinterest recreation video because girl, we are smack dead in the middle of summer. But most importantly, with kids going back to school, I don't know your circumstances, but I do know the economy is and things are a little tight right now because everything is expensive. So not very many people want to splurge on clothing. And if you do, you want it to be affordable. But honey, what's more affordable than shopping your own closet? And that's what I did to bring you this summer Pinterest recreation video. But I'm recreating my way. That is the #1 goal. You can recreate the look your way. If I can find links to anything that I'm showing you today to create these looks, I will list them in the description box. So now let's get into the look. Look #1. Honey, I thought this look was just so cute when I saw it. And when I saw those lace capri leggings, I knew I had a pair. You could pair any graphic tee with it. Like the look just spoke to me. So I decided I'm gonna recreate this look and I'm gonna recreate it my way. Keywords, my way. And y'all know I'm a woman of a particular age. And honey, there is no way I could have worn these lace leggings without putting something underneath. So I just paired it with a pair of biker shorts and then a graphic tee. She has on a black Ed Hardy graphic tee. I knew I had a black graphic tee that I had just bought from Walmart because my plan was to cut it up anyway. But when I saw the look, I was like, that is perfect. I will pair that graphic tee with those lace leggings. And y'all see she has the choker and all the jewelry going on. I don't need to do all that. I don't like chokers. Well, it's not that I don't like chokers. I don't have a choker. So I just paired it with a simple gold necklace, gold earrings. And she has on Balenciaga slides, but baby, I have on Fashion Nova sandals, okay? It's black and white. Any black sandal will do. You could do whatever you want on the bottom. I'm just going to pop some color with my handbag. And y'all see her sunnies have that tint of red to match that bag. Well, I'm just gonna pop some sunnies on. So let me complete this look and let me show you what I'm working with. Recreate it my way. And bam, I pop my green, my sunnies, and honey, did I recreate the look? Yes, I recreated it my way. And we're on to the next one. Y'all know the trend that's going on now are these slip dresses over pants, over jeans, over some kind of bottoms. When I saw this picture right here, I was like, oh my God, I have a slip dress. I could recreate this look. I really got her to wear it the trendy way that I've been seeing all over Instagram and everywhere else. But like I said, when I saw this look, I knew I had that slip dress. So I said, yes, I'm recreating that look. Again, I'm doing it my way. The Pinterest picture is just your guide. Her slip dress looked like it's black, but mine is brown. She has on denim. In this picture, you can see that her bottoms look wide leg. So I just paired them with a pair of wide leg jeans that I have. And although the picture is cut off and you don't really see her face all the way, you can see she has on sunnies. She has her clutch bag. Let me finish the look and let me just show you first. And this is the completed look. Since I have on gold accessories, I just put on a pair of gold sunnies and I have this snake print clutch bag that goes perfect with this chocolate brown slip dress. Paired it with a pair of chocolate brown sandals that I got from Walmart that are linked in my LTK. So yes, how did I do? I recreated the look and I recreated it my way. Up next, I found this picture here. Now this picture contains everything that I love. Not everything, but a few of the things that I love. The leopard, the Kelly green, denim, and gold. I used to be a silver girly, but here lately, honey, I am loving gold. But baby, when I saw this picture, it just screamed my name. I was like, oh, I'm definitely recreating this one. Now, this is a summer recreation video. So y'all see this long sleeve leopard? We're not doing long sleeve. We will do a short sleeve leopard top. And y'all see this Kelly green blazer once again. Now I could throw a Kelly green blazer on with this, depending on where I was wearing it to. But for the sake of this video, I chose the Kelly green blazer vest, which is very important to me because it's one of my babies from my online women's fashion store, The Boutique by Ursula. And yes, I still have some available. If you are interested, just drop it down in the comments below. The Boutique is still on hiatus for now, but we're working on bringing her back. The denim in the picture, like a medium wash denim. So this is the closest I had to the medium wash. You could really put any color denim you want on the bottom. You could do denim shorts. You could do a denim skirt. This is just a guide, but you can recreate it your way with the pieces that you have in your closet. I don't have any leopard sambas. I have been on the hunt for these leopard sambas, y'all. But if you know a website or somewhere I can find them, let me know in the comments. I do have a chocolate brown pair of sneakers that I got from Z Walmart, and they are linked in my LTK. And then y'all see gold earrings, gold hoop earrings. But again, you do what you want, you do it your way. But now let me finish off the look. These are the sunnies, and this is my handbag. And these sunnies are also from The Boutique by Ursula. These were one of the first pair of sunnies that I had in my inventory when I launched. No, it was shortly after, but they're from The Boutique. Let me just give you this gem, and let me just tell you this. If you don't have a Kelly green blazer and you don't have a leopard top, but you may have something else with leopard. You may have a leopard bag. You may have leopard pants or a skirt. You can recreate it within this color scheme. As long as you have these colors, denim, leopard, green, you can put the pieces and the looks wherever you choose. The recreation is your way. We are back with the elevated casual street look. I don't know if that's what it's called, but honey, I saw this picture. Y'all already know the Kelly green. The Kelly green is my color. If you don't know, I was born March 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day, and the Kelly green is my birthday color. And honey, I had to cop me a green New York fitted. But in this picture right here, y'all see it has the green New York fitted, the white tee, the leopard pants, denim jacket or denim shirt, maybe a denim shirt jacket, the gold accessories, and then these green and white Adidas. I guess they're Sambas or some kind of low profile Adidas sneaker. I don't have that, but y'all, I had these green platform sneakers that I got from Fashion Nova. I don't necessarily like how it looked with this look, but for the sake of the video, the recreation, I have them on. As far as the denim, this is summer, so we're not putting on any shackets, but I will do this. Y'all probably already knew. Honey, the denim bag. And look, I recreated the look and I recreated it my way. Now I do have this hat kind of sitting up because it was going to make that line across my forehead and I don't want it. But honey, when I actually wear this look, baby, the hat will be fitted and sitting low. We have come to the last look of the day, the last Pinterest recreation of the day, which is this picture right here. I know y'all can already see this picture has an olive green midi dress, but baby, I don't own the olive green midi dress. However, I do own an olive green two-piece legging set. This look was definitely recreated my way with the pieces that I have in my closet. My camouflage God is dope hat and the sneakers. I do have some all white sneakers, but I just wanted to pair this look with my rose gold and white Vomero sneakers. Y'all, this was my birthday gift from my baby boy. I just wanted to wear them with this look. So to finish this look off, it's a summer recreation video. So y'all know I'm not wearing a denim jacket, but you've guessed it. Yes. Once again, she's featured in my Amazon haul and she's available in my Amazon storefront. But yes, the denim bag, because we're not wearing a denim jacket and it's 1,000 degrees outside. This is the look. This is my recreation of the look. If you have made it to this point of the video, thank you, girl. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. If you are now here, let's drop some Kelly Green hearts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. We need the engagement because we want to stay in the algorithm. We want 15K and we're not far from it. Share the video with all of your fashion girls. Tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? And girl, I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.